Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can chat with users and creators on X, formerly known as Twitter. So let us guide you through it. Head over to x.com, log into your account, and here guys on the left panel you will see that menu, messages. So click into it, and after that simply click into that chat feature here. As you can see, it's currently in its beta phase, so click into it. And after that, you will see that menu popping up here. So you can, for example, start group chats or start unencrypted chats. To do that, simply click into a new chat here to the right. And after that, for example, click into create a group to start a group chat, or look for users you would like to contact. Let me go with this one here for demonstration purposes. And after that, simply type in your message here at the bottom. I don't know, something like, hey bro. Press enter or click into this button to send the message, and that is going to send the message to the given user, as you can see. And yeah, you can simply use that text or message box field here at the bottom to communicate with your interlocutor. You may attach files by clicking to that plus button. You may add emojis from the X library, and so on and so forth. And that's how it works, guys. That's how you chat with users on X in 2025. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.